In B2B trade, scale is authority. With over 20 years of manufacturing excellence, KAMAX has established 3 major production bases in China, Myanmar, and Peru. What you see is more than just an active assembly line. It is the foundation of delivery for our partners in over 80 countries. No hype, just respect for quality. At KAMAX, every vehicle undergoes rigorous testing before packing. From 30 minutes continuous engine idling to meticulous electrical checks and 100% real-world road testing. We believe that what we deliver to you must be performance that stands the test of any market. A great motorcycle belongs to the road and even more to the wild. From the frozen trails of Russia to the humid streets of Southeast Asia and the high-altitude ridges of South America. These real-world feedbacks from around the globe are the ultimate proof of KAMAX's reliability. We understand the pain points of different markets, so we build the most dependable tools. This trust is built on hundreds of global importers traveling thousands of miles for on-site inspections every year. They walk through our workshops, evaluate our craftsmanship, and verify our capacity. When they place a repeat order, it's not just a transaction, it's a vote of confidence in KAMAX's manufacturing strength. Every container door that closes marks the departure of our commitment. Choosing KAMAX means more than just finding a supplier. It means choosing a responsible partner who understands your business. Join us and let's drive global growth together.